there! Welcome to Crochet Along with Miss Carol. I am Miss Carol, and today we are going to add another video in our crochet skills series. The skill we're covering today is how to finish a project or how to finish a pattern. Lots of times at the end of a pattern or within the pattern, if you're finishing a section of some wearable like a sleeve on a top or the head of a stuffed animal, it will tell you to finish off and weave in the ends. But often it won't tell you how to do that. That's a skill that they expect you to know. And so today, that's what I'm going to show you, is how to finish off and how to weave in the ends. So here we go. So what I have here is a dish rag that I made, just alternating single crochet and double crochet rows until I had it the size that I wanted. I've made the decision not to put a border on this dish rag. My dishes don't care whether they're bordered or not. They get just as clean. So I'm at my last row here, and I'm ready to finish off and weave in my ends. I've made my last stitch, and so I'm just going to yarn over and pull through, just as if I was making a chain or a turning chain. I want to pull through quite a bit of yarn, so I have plenty of yarn to weave in my ends. I'm going to pull it tight so that it makes a good tight knot, and then I'm going to use my scissors and cut my yarn. I'm going to pull that cut end right through so that it makes a good tight knot, and I'm ready to weave in my ends. That's all there is to finishing off. Now I'm going to thread my yarn needle. I pull my yarn over the top of my needle and pinch it tight, and then press the eye over that fold in the yarn so that it's easy to thread my needle. Now I'm going to weave my ends through the stitches here. I'm going to go down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I'll do 6 on this one. So weave in, go through one way. Okay, it'll go through. There we go. One way, back the other. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to go back the other way. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then one more time. 3's the charm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's woven in there. If you look closely, you can see where it is, but it's not obvious. Then I just take my scissors and clip my yarn close. And I don't have that end poking out. It's woven in, and if it comes out a couple of places, I can just keep clipping it. It's not going to come out all the way because I went back and forth 3 times. I'm going to turn it over and do the same thing with the end at the beginning. So I'm going to thread my needle and then just go back and forth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and cut my yarn. We've finished the project and woven in the ends so that it won't come undone. And you're finished.